This guide will show you how to group and ungroup worksheets in Microsoft Excel. Hold down Control as you click the tabs you want to group. The grouped worksheet tabs will turn white to show that they are grouped. To ungroup, hold down Control as you click each grouped tab. Another method. Right-click a tab for a worksheet. This will open a pop-up menu. Choose Select All Sheets. This will group every worksheet in your workbook. The grouped worksheet tabs will turn white to show that they are grouped. Ungroup the worksheets. Right-click the tab for any worksheet in the group. Select Ungroup Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.